And now I'm going to send a peace sign design that I chose on my phone. Wow, that was so quick. So, what do you think? It came out really nice. Hi, welcome to Tell a Friend. Today is going to be a Tell a Friend with no Tella and no Ria. So it's a weekend evening and I am home alone. No kids, no husband, nobody. So Tella and Ria have gone to the beach for the weekend with their dad and my in-laws, their grandma and grandpa, and their uncle, so Jeremy's brother. And they gave me a day off, 2 days off. So I really don't know what to do with myself. And I've cleaned the whole house. So I remembered something that I had to do. And that is to open this beauty. This is something that Jeremy got me a while ago. I think at least a month ago. I've had it for a while and I've been meaning to open it, but I just never had the time to do it. Because it was the end of the year at school. It's been really busy. But I have a whole evening to myself, so I'm going to open it. It's a Cricut Joy, and it says it is your DIY best friend. So it's one of those machines that cuts intricately, like you enter a design and it'll cut it out. It's a cutting machine. And the Cricut Joy is a smaller version, so it's a mini. And it cuts things out like, if you see on the box, there's the name Emily, or these shapes, right? So any shape or decoration or letters it will cut out, and you cut it out onto some material like these. I got a bundle that included these. And what do I have here? I have Smart Iron-On, so I can iron on to fabric or clothing. I have Smart Vinyl Permanent, which will probably stick onto almost anything. And I have transfer tape. I honestly have not studied this at all, so I'm not sure exactly how they're different, but I'm going to find out. So let's open the box with me and we'll try it out together. This is exciting. Oh wait, there's tape all around. It's gonna take a while. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's really compact, much smaller than I anticipated. And there's a pen, batteries maybe, and a plug to plug in this. Let's get started. Okay, so the manual is very simple. It just says, go to the website and we will walk you through every step. So I'm gonna bring my computer here and open it up and let's go through it together. Plug it in into a wall outlet and power on. It's actually got a cute little video showing me exactly what to do. So I tried to purchase a design to test it out, and it says I have to use iOS. So I have to use my phone. So I'm gonna stop filming. I'm just gonna do something, try it on my phone, and then I'll turn on and show you what happened. Okay, so I went through the steps on my phone, and I'm doing a sample cut right now. It should be cutting lips for me. And there I have it. My first cut, lips, just like I ordered. It's so cool. And now I'm going to send a peace sign design that I chose on my phone. Wow, that was so quick. I got my peace sign. That was really quick. You can see, can you see my peace sign here? Well, I'm going to weed it, they say. Take off the vinyl around it and then quickly go look for a white t-shirt because I don't know if I have anything to iron this onto, and then we'll iron it on. Let's go. Okay, so I'm just going to peel these off now. They say you should start at the corner. You want to take away the insides. The same thing here. I'm going to start from the corner. I'm going to peel off once, and you should be able to see the hand right away. Now this is iron-on, so it's stretchier than the other vinyl. There we go. I have my peace sign and my lips. Now I know I want my peace sign on a t-shirt, or I just found like a white sleeveless t-shirt, so that'll do. But I really didn't plan on this. This was just a test, basically one that I got for free. So I think I'm just gonna stick it on a clear file. I know it's no fun, but that's the only soft surface I have. But this can go on any soft surface. Plastic, wood, a tray, a basket, a container, but I really can't think of anything right now, so I'm just gonna stick it on a file. Ta-da! It's cute, right? Now, let's move on to the other room with the iron so we can do this. Okay, so now we're going to iron this onto this white shirt that I found. So I've just put it on the shirt where I would like it to go, and I'm going to iron over it, directly over it. Just place some heat. Okay, it's probably cooled down a bit now, so I'm going to peel off the backing at a 45-degree angle. Oh wow, and it looks so good. I'm impressed. So I'm just gonna put this on and meet you again in front of the camera. Ta-da! So, what do you think? It came out really nice. I love it. My new t-shirt, my new file, they're both really cool. I had a lot of fun making it, all with this tiny machine, the Cricut Joy. I really love it. And now that I know how to use it, I will be experimenting more. If we make something interesting, we'll be sure to post it, so stay tuned. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and press like and share. And I guess I'll see you next time. Bye!